Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy A27 not charging. First we want to plug the cable in, so let me go and get one. Here I have the cable, it's already plugged in, so I'm simply going to put this in. It's a USB-C and it's plugged in all the way, but it's not charging. How do we fix this issue? First, let me unpin the phone. We're not going to be using it like this. Now we're going to check our port for any dirt or debris. We want to make sure our charging port is clean. It's at the bottom. If I look through the light, it seems pretty okay. I feel like there's no dust at all. Next, simply go and update your software. Before updating, we're going to restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time, then tap restart. It's very important that we update our software, and now we're waiting. I'll see you once the phone turns back on. After the restart, as I've mentioned, we're going to do the software update. Once it turns everything on, we open Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and check for updates to make sure we're on the latest version. We want to be on the latest version released. My software is up to date, so that's good, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. If you did everything you were supposed to do, simply try another cable. We plug the phone in and finally get it to charge. The restart, software update, and cable change all worked out great. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.